In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to place video inside text in CapCut PC. To begin, I've imported this video onto my timeline over here. The first thing you need to do is to come over to the text over here and select default text and hit this plus sign to add this text to your timeline, and move this text to the beginning of your timeline and adjust the duration over here. The next thing you want to do is to double click on this text over here. To make it say whatever you prefer, I'm going to select text and increase the scale over here. Next, come over here and add some other settings you may prefer. For example, you may decide to change the text style. And once you are done, select the video tab over here. What you want to do is to drag the video above the text. So I'm going to lock the text over here and drag this video above the text over here. Now I'm going to unlock the text over here, select the video tab, come over to blend mode and change the blend mode from default to multiply. And that's it guys on how to place video inside text in CapCut PC.